This
VA.
conference will now be recorded.
Are you listening?
Yes, sir. You can proceed.
Today we are going to discuss about that is a one type, that is a types of charts. And so these are the charts available in Power BI. So we discuss one day. What happened here? One second, give me. Okay, this is the chart. First chart is your stacked. First chart is your stacked bar chart. Okay. To working with the charts, we have to means arrange in this way to access the chart. And some charts have some specific values, and there is some specific reference. Okay. So stacked bar chart. First, we start the stacked bar chart. You have to click here to stacked bar chart. The chart will be appear in your
Sir, when I was practicing with my data in the last sheet, I could not load all the columns.
Yeah. So what happened?
No. When I was practicing with my data in this Power BI, I could not load all the columns. I'm saying all the columns into the sheet. What
Why
is the
it is
issue,
it?
sir? I mean, I have 40 columns with me.
Okay.
Okay, 40 columns are not loaded on the sheet.
Okay, let me check. Okay. So today we're going to starting the chart and we discuss your problem in the last time. Okay, this is called as type of charts, and inside the types of chart, first chart is stacked bar chart. Stacked bar chart is basically working with there is means categorical data and values and some tooltips part and all this thing. First, let's understand the visual, how to build the visual in Power BI. One method of this visual is like I have to drag category and sales here, to drag category and sales to directly here. And sales here. This is the one process to making the why it is slow, that much I am not able to understand. Again I have to making for you. Okay, this is the chart and I will be one method is to drag category to here and sales to here. Okay, this is the one method to making the chart will be category and sales. Okay, and another method is that click here and drag here. Okay, category to data and sales to values. Okay, this is the one method to making the chart. Okay, clear this thing?
Yes, sir. Last class we discussed this one.
Okay, first we have to go and x-axis, y-axis I have to set up. X-axis we have to take this is as dark black color and after beginnings from the beginning 12 and it is set as calibre and x-axis also have to set as values and it is set as calibres and it is set as 12 and it is dark color. Okay, clear? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Title is and title color is bold. The size is 15, and this is called as your calorie. Okay, another y-axis also same thing, and title is there, and title is black, and it is called as calorie, and it is called as 15. Okay, then we have to show the data label here on the data label part, and data label will be set. I'll be set this data label as 14 and black bold, and it is set as calorie, and it is set as black. Okay, and data level position is auto, and inside the center, okay, inside center. This is the data level position. Next one is your borders and titles. Borders and titles is here. Borders and title is general. Go to general, effect, background color is effect, visual border on, shadow on, and visual border size is 4. Okay, next one is title. The format general, and title bold, set as 16, family is calorie, and bold. Background color of this title is pick any color of this title. Okay, this is a one type of chart we have to design last class, and I have to drag another one that is called as reason. This is called as reason, and it will break on the basis of your reason basis. And I go to there, and legend is on, and side region in the top center position, and title is off, and text size I have to set it is as 12, calibre, and bold, and black. Okay, clear this thing? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So bar color I'm going to change one by one. This is called as one is yellow, and another setup is your green color, and another is light pink color. Okay, this is a one type of chart I have to build. This is called as stacked bar chart. Okay, next chart I'm going to, that is a, this is called a stacked column chart. It is a reversal part of your chart, not this thing. I have to drag, this is the shape modes and sales here, and here I'm going to drag this format. Click here format painter and drop this format painter. Okay, format painter is there, and we have to break this on the basis of legend. This is called as legend. From this chart I'm going to explain you one thing that is called as tooltip. Tooltip means when you click here, then this part is visible. Strip mode, standard class, region is west, and sales is there. So if you add anything related to tooltip like profit or anything, you have to add profit part also. So here the profit also visible, and you should format the tooltip as in go to, and here this option general, tooltip is on, and types is report page. Text size is this thing. I have to text size increase to 12, and it is black, and level is, this is called level is, I have to set as more darker color. Background is your, let's suppose I have to take the background as your red color. Okay, to click here, then this is visible. Okay, red and white. Are you understand?
It is available in visual, sir. Tooltip.
Yeah. So tooltip is again, I'm go to there, and value size is black. To set the value size is dark black, and this level also black, and this also black. So I'm going to click here. This is called as tooltip. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
from this, yeah, tell me.
If data changes, then this data entire graphical representation also changes, sir. If
Yeah, data changes and the report also, this thing also changes. So
okay,
from this graph, what happen, what you do from this graph? So here is the option to view the graph in proper, in this full format, and you have to go back to report, and there is three dot is there. So that clicking the three dot, you have to access the sorted the axis on the basis of shape mode or shape mode wise, and sorted the axis using sales wise. Okay, sorted the axis using descending, ascending order. Sorted the region by region wise. Okay, another option is sorted the axis, and we have to export the show as a tables. Show as a tables means charts and tables both are visible. Both are visible at a single time. So as a tables. And another option is to export it the data from this, all the data inside using this chart also exported into CSV file. Okay, clear this thing?
okay.
Clear. Next chart we're going to, that is called as, that is another chart that is will be discussed. This is called as your cluster bar chart. Okay, cluster bar chart is nothing but, in the previous bar chart what happened, when you break, when your region is dropped, then the every bar is break. But here inside the cluster bar chart, the region will not break. Let's suppose you have to drag this category and sales and listen to your region, and here it is not break, it is, then it is outer side. Okay, let's go to the data level, format this thing. Okay, let's suppose format the same format, copy here and format pointer, and drop this format pointer. Some value is not visible here. Okay, this is called as your cluster bar chart, and another is cluster column chart. This is called as your cluster column chart. Value is not visible. Let's go and data level, and value is inside center, outside center, or outside auto. Okay, orientation horizontal, vertical. Say vertical also. Okay, clear this thing?
Clear. Okay.
This is horizontal. Next chart is your 100% stacked bar chart. 100% stacked bar chart is basically when you drag any like category or sales and region, and this is called show the 100%. Let's suppose go to their format painter and drop this format painter. This is 100% column chart, 100% bar chart, and 100% column chart. Opposite one both are. Clear this thing?
Yes, sir.
So I have another means another means a PDF is there. Inside the PDF all charts are available. So I'll be provide you. So we'll be practice on each and every one chart. Another chart is your line chart. Line chart is work on the basis of like date data. It is not work with the order data like date trains, any date column is there, and line chart will be appear. I have to work out with the line chart. Let's suppose I drag this order date to the data level and sales to values. Then what happen in Power BI? First it will pick the year only. Year, quarter, month, and day. I have to remove only the year, month, and quarter. Okay, and I drag the legend part to reason. Okay, reason is to legend part. Are you understanding clearly, or if you have any doubt, you will ask. Okay, this is the multiples reasons, sir. Means for this multiples reason, I'll be give you the briefing. Wait a second, I have to format it as per the previous format pointer, and drop this format pointer here. Okay, so it will be break this thing. So this is the east region sales, this is the west region sales. Okay, and this is the south region sales is green sales, and this is the your central, another one is east. The line formatted, listen, the line formatted also there. Lines may be different, solid line, dash line, dotted line. Okay, we are basically using more time the solid line. Okay, solid line. Okay, clear? So this is the year wise data. So how to change to month wise? Go here and drag this order date here and select only the quarter. It is quarter wise. It is quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Okay, another option is that is called a slicer. We have to add a slicer here, and we have to add, it is a use as a filter type. Okay, order date and select as date hierarchy, and we have to use, this is the order date as year wise. Okay, this is the slicer. So I'm going to format this slicer first. Slicer setting, orientation vertical, and selection is multi selection, so all option, and slicer values. Are you understanding this thing what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
So here
Now,
I have to set it set as 15 and make it as bold and font color as black, more black. Okay, what happened here? I am to select 2018, it will be so the 2018 only, 2020, 2020. Select all these values will be select. So next we have to working with the month wise data. So I have to use only the month wise. Okay, select 2018, 2020, 2021, 2022. This is called as your month wise. Okay, and another one is day wise. Good. Here I have to work with day wise. Go there and order date and click here, date hierarchy. It is on the part of this date hierarchy. You have to, in this scroller, you have to use this date hierarchy. That is the date hierarchy is there. Date hierarchy you have to select and click on the cross mark. Okay. So this is called as day wise, 2018 day wise. Then another filter is required. This is called as month wise slicer is required. How to copy this visual? Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. The visual will be copy. Okay.
okay.
So I'm to set, this is called as 2018 January month, then day wise visible. February month, March month, April month, May month. This is the month slider is there, and here the date slider is there. Okay, by using slider, we have to drill down. This means selecting multiple option is there. Okay. Okay, clear this thing?
Yes, yes, sir.
So same thing as area chart. Area chart is same, but your this it appear in this area part. Okay, this is the same chart, area chart. To appear in the basis of area wise, all these thing area wise. Let's suppose I'll be set here, drag this order date, and I have to set as your date hierarchy, and I will be set this thing as, sorry, I have to drag the order date here and to set this date hierarchy. Day wise, and I have to select here this thing and order date here, and I'll be select on the basis of year wise. Okay, the single line will be appear. Area chart is working with like your, this is a month wise. Okay, area chart, it will be appear, this chart will be line is there, so area is means cover, area is means area is color inside the area chart. Are you understanding this thing?
Yes, yes, sir. Then this link between the three here in canvas will be based on the filter section, and you have kept filter section here.
Yeah, so we have to filter down this thing, so it will be
Hmm.
move one by one. But in case of a line chart is same thing. Line chart is the, sorry, select this slicer. Here the line chart is same, but here the area chart will be, it will be cover the area part. Okay, there is no difference between the area and line chart. Okay, I have to cover that much for today. You will be practice this chart. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 chart. Okay, let's cover another chart. This is called as stacked area chart. Stacked area chart, nothing but these two chart will be collides each other. The lines will be like this line and this line. Like for your west region and east region, this will be means cross each other. But in case of a your area stacked area chart, it will not cross. Okay, it will be appear one by one. It is the topmost sales of this every year is west. It will not cross each other. Okay, in case of a stacked area chart. Okay, clear this thing?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about your types of chart. So there is 9 chart today will be covered, and you should practice all these 9 chart. Okay, and try to join at the 7 p.m. Okay,
Uh,
at the
uh,
time.
no, no. Actually, trainer said that 7:30 बोल के from Monday से.
Okay, 7:30.
Hmm.
Okay,
That's why
then
I
we'll
joined.
be, so we'll be continue again up to 15 minutes. I will,
Hmm.
yes, continue up
Every
to
day 7
15
or
minutes.
7:30, sir. Every day, what time are you?
So what time is provided to you?
7:30 बोल के there, sir. 7. Your feasible time, please.
Okay, okay, 7:30 will better. Okay. So
Yeah.
this is called as line and stacked area chart. Both chart will be appear. Today I'm going to finish the types of what chart will be practice from your side. Line and
Okay.
stacked area chart is nothing but, so this is called as bar graph and sales. Let's suppose I have to drag category and sales. In the previous chart, what happened? We have to working with this chart like sales and previous. Let's going to format this thing as far as put there and format pointer and drop this format pointer. It is formatted, and I go to, I will be show here as a line chart. Okay, line value, or I have to show here order date, and this is a year wise. Clear, this is the year wise sales, and I want to show the profit also, so click here inside this line value and profit also added. Are you understanding? Profit and sales in a single chart. Clear this thing for you? Are you clear this thing?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I have to drag region. Region will be break on the basis of bar. Bar wise region is break. Okay. I have to click here and go to the line, and color is black. Okay, clear this thing. It is very easy, not that much difficult. Okay, next chart is line and cluster column chart. The same chart as cluster column chart. Okay, same chart as cluster column chart.
Okay.
Are you understanding from your end?
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Inside center, this is outside, and so all this value will be appear. Next one is ribbon chart. Ribbon chart is nothing but your means ribbon chart is nothing but it will show the one of the flow type. Let's suppose I have to drag this ribbon chart, and I have to add here your ribbon chart working with a data field date. I have to use as year only. Okay, and sales here. So it will be appear as a bar graph for me currently. And if I drag this region to legend, then it will be so. Let's suppose 2018 sales of the south is 2019 is increasing, 2020 is increasing somewhat, it is also decreasing, and more sales is the west region, increasing, decreasing, and it will be show the rank position. Okay, 2020 and 2021 rank. 2021 the position of this your central is rank 1, 2020 rank is 1, rank change is 1, and sales percentage is that much 21% as, and as 2020 sales changes. Okay, if you want to show this thing like sales changes up to year wise and ranking process or ranking change, then we'll be using the ribbon chart only. Okay, clear this thing for you?
Yes, sir. Understood ribbon chart.
It will be practice from your end so that it is clear. Next chart is waterfall chart. Waterfall chart is nothing but to populate the data on the top and bottom level. Let's suppose I'm drag subcategory and sales, the top and bottom level. Like suppose this is called as top means phones is more sales, and less sales is phone is more sales as compared to others, and have to sorted also, sorted axis in ascending descending order. This is called as waterfall chart. Okay, clear this thing? Fastener is less sell, and this is it more sales, phones is.
Once you
Okay,
hire, sir.
clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Next one is funnel chart. Funnel chart is nothing but this way. This is a one type of funnel chart, higher order to lower order, or I have to drag here your category here. Okay, so this is a funnel chart. Sort the axis in descending order. This is called as your funnel chart. Technology, furniture, office supply, this is one type of funnel chart. Okay, pie chart, you know this pie chart. I have to drag, this is called as your category wise sales, this is called as your pie chart, and inside this thing will be donut chart. Okay, you'll be practice format all these values from your end. Okay, I'll be sharing with the PDF. Okay, so that will be format this.
Yes,
Next
sir.
one is your heat tree map. Tree map is arranging in this way. Tree map is more data. So I will drag here like subcategory, and this is called as your tree map. This is called as your tree map. Okay. Are you understanding pie chart and donut chart? It is very easy, pie chart and donut chart. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Pie chart is very easy, and donut chart is very easy also. Okay. Tree map. Let's suppose work with the map part. Okay, it is very easy. You will practice all these things. So map part, some map has some requirement. The data side will be in the state, city, postal code, or anything. So how to check the data in geocoding? So here is the globe symbol is there. If it is not appear, click here the data and select it. And you have to select it and select a state and province. The globe symbol will be appear here. Okay, the state. Okay, or postal code here, postal code, and click here the data category, and it is set as postal code. So on the basis of postal code, on the basis of state, will be make your map. So click here the map part and map visual and drag the state here. Drag the state here to this visual, then the state will be automatically US state is automatically make. First one is your
it is
column name will be state,
India's
city.
state. India state matlab
No, as
ade
for the
sir.
data. As per your data, currently in this data, the US state is there. State, city, country, state, city, country, postal code, latitude, longitude of your column name, that will be generate this map. Let's suppose I will be drag this postal code.
Postal code of all India also will come.
No, postal code to location. The postal code is not taking properly, so I am working with the state data. The US map. Okay, this is the US map. Okay, let which state has more sales or more profit? So drag this profit to your size. More profit. California has more profit. Okay. And region wise break, you break this on the basis of region wise, drag the region to region, break on the region wise. Okay, east, west, central, all these things. Central, east, south, west on the basis of region wise. Okay. And another map is, this is called as field map. This is called as field map, and this is called as map part. Another one is your maybe share map. This is called as share map. And color saturation, inside the color saturation we have to add this region. This is the California is more sales, okay, as compared to other sales. This is all about your map part. Okay, to working with the map. One is your first map is your map, second one is your field map. Inside the field map we have to break this field map on the basis of your region wise. Next map is your, that is your share map. In share map we have to add to color saturation part, then it will be appear more sales. Okay, next one, this is all about your map part. Okay, clear this thing map.
Yes sir.
And pie chart is how to format this pie chart. Let's suppose I'll be drag here one graph for you, like segments and sales. Okay, this is a segment and sales. Go to here and go to this format pad, visual, format this visual, click here, this here, and go here. Legend is right center, text position, data levels is details and values, and this is more black, and set as 14. Okay, black. Clear this thing.
Yes sir.
Clear this thing, and rotation is 0%. Legend. Title set port and 18. Okay, in this you will be format and change the data color here also. Data level, details level, slice level is there, slice level green or any yellow or pink. Green is more darker green, so select this. Okay, clear. So the same thing is there, and donut chart is same thing. Click here, this thing will be changed to donut chart. Clear this thing.
Yes sir,
Okay.
understood.
So next you'll be practice all these things today, and it is very big for you. You'll be practice one by one chart, and how to make this type of chart I will be show you. Okay, I'll be show you types of chart today, and you'll be asked your means in asks to provide types of chart, then they will provide you a means material on the types of chart. So we'll be practice this thing. Give me 1 second, I'll be show you how to practice this thing. Hello.
हेलो हाँ जी सर बोलिए
So we have to write this as stacked bar chart. It is written as have to write this in a stacked bar chart, and have to format whatever the color you pick, that is doesn't matter. So try to your means x axis size, y axis size, increase your sizes more. Okay, consumer this thing, and like stacked column chart and cluster bar chart and
ओके
cluster column chart, 100% stacked bar chart, 100% stacked column chart, year-wise line chart, quarter-wise line chart, month-wise line chart, year-wise area chart, year-wise stacked area chart, year-wise line and column chart. Here two things is missing: year-wise area chart, month-wise area chart, quarter-wise area chart. You have to add. Okay, and year-wise stacked area chart, year-wise line and stacked column chart. Okay,
ओके
ribbon chart, waterfall chart, funnel chart, pie chart, till the basic prepare. Okay, try to change the color code, tree map and map visual, another also map type, map visual for your central region, table and conditional formattings are there, matrices, cards. This is all about your chart. Another chart also, there is more number of 20 to 25 chart, like histogram, like animated bar chart, drill down donut chart. You should practice all the thing, then I'll be means I'll be give you the all the briefing about in the upcoming days how to build. So try to
no,
practice all these things.
can you share
And
the data and this PDF to me, sir? I'll start practicing.
okay, I'll be provide you either or you'll be start. I'll be provide you two type of material. This thing is there. Another thing is I show you. One second. One second, I will show you. Or you may be follow this way. Okay, you may be follow this way to prepare this chart. In this way, okay. Color code, it is a better color code, okay.
Okay.
All charts are there, so it will practice all types of chart. The better way to practice. And next one is your customized charts. Customized chart is nothing but this type of chart. Like first chart is your bullet graph, word clouds, infographics designers, Toronto charts, time slider chart, KPIs, box and whisker plots, calendar visual, histogram, heat map, KPI metrics, Sunburst chart, Sankey chart, table tree chart, and dial gauge, radar chart, check the cloud, code chart, and Astro chart, line gateway chart, funnel or pyramid chart, animated image and bubble charts. There is many charts are there. So I'll be share with you today and try to practice all these charts. Basic chart will be practice, and tomorrow will be start your metric table and matrices. Okay.
Metric table and matrices. Okay.
Yeah, tables and
Sir, one more thing,
matrices.
sir. My doubt is, as I am trying to load, all my columns in my sheet, they are unable to load. I have around
So I'll
40
be
columns.
give me 1 second. I'll be provide you a good data set like global superstore or sample superstore. The data set is same, and you have to take the global superstore or sample superstore. I have to provide you the two data set. So we are working with this data like sample superstore or global superstore. And in this global superstore or sample superstore, we will prepare a sample report on the sales report in the upcoming days. Okay, clear this thing? I will provide you the data set. Don't worry about this thing.
Yeah,
Hello?
okay, sir. So, yes, yes, sir. I'm listening. Hello.
Okay, clear this thing?
Yes, yes, sir. Can I share my data, sir? My data.
No, tomorrow will be discuss your data. So it will be practice. I'll be provide you data set, all these things. And tomorrow will be follow your this thing. So try to prepare your types of charts today itself. After sometime you will get the data and the means report PDF and follow this PDF. Don't work with the format part. Whatever the format, Arial, Calibri, or DIN, or Times Roman, whatever your x-axis, y-axis takes, you take whatever color you set. And as for this thing format, as for the PDF format, follow this like title, and title you have to set as a click on the text box. Click on the text box in your insert ribbon of your Power BI. That is a text box is there. You have to write the text box stacked bar chart inside this thing and format it. Okay. Clear this thing? I'm going to end this class. Okay.
Okay. Okay. From tomorrow, at what time will join, sir?
Tomorrow I'll discuss with Nirmala and will update you. And at this moment, I also join. Okay.
Okay, sir. Tomorrow we'll start.
Thank you. Thank you.